Welcome to our channel. If Twitter or X app isn't working properly, follow these proven troubleshooting steps to restore full functionality and get back to tweeting. Step 1. Check your internet connection first. Toggle airplane mode on and off, then test with both Wi-Fi and cellular data to identify connection issues. Step 2. Force quit the Twitter or X app. Double tap home button or swipe up on iPhone, find the app, and swipe it away. On Android, use the Recent Apps button. Step 3. Clear the app cache and data. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Twitter, X, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files. Step 4. Check for app updates in your device's app store. Twitter X frequently releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Verify Twitter's server status by checking Down Detector or Twitter's status page. Server issues affect all users globally. Step 6. Log out of your account completely. Go to Settings and Privacy account, then log out. Wait a moment before signing back in. Step 7. Restart your device to clear system memory and refresh all connections. Hold power button and select Restart. Step 8. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you have a clean installation with no corrupted files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.